I'm still level here. That's pretty good. For now I'm gonna use that just to set the other one. According to my plan, I shall be putting a triangle here. So I'm gonna try and build that first triangle. Try to make it a stand just with those 3 first clamps here. Try to level that a little bit. Boom! Getting a little tricky, so I started with this one, then I did that one using those props, and then here. Whew. All right, finally have a center point. That's here. I'm attached to the tree here and at the back on this one. I should take the level. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good.
A few inches later.
Alright, missed a couple days of recording. And here, look at this. Treehouse starting to look better. I'm almost done with the whole treehouse. I have like that post to take down. And then it's gone. As you can see, it's a bit tall. So here we've got a bar and a DJ booth, so we'll probably put them under here. Well, it's finally functional. The first stair, landing on the ladder. And welcome on the treehouse. I'm starting to make a bar here.
No,
I film that. No?
and it'll angle too if you want it to.
Alright, new platform is up. I'm gonna probably put even more legs. I'm gonna double the legs in the corners. Still, it's pretty sturdy. Plenty of legs in the middle. On that platform there is a concrete block, so that's not moving.
Shine them all up and shit. We're gonna dial it in. Oh baby, yeah.
Nice! That's a couple.
There's a few in there, yeah.
A big one there too.
Yep. Fuck yeah. I love it, man. Dude, I wonder if this is actually gonna play. I don't have to fast forward through these things. Yeah, wouldn't that be sick? Just crank it, dude. Through the system. We're in our office space.
Lucky I'm not armed. Piece of shit.
I'm gonna need you to go ahead and come in tomorrow.
I got two. I'm ready to go. Nice. Woo!
Isn't that cute? Huh? Here in the treehouse, where the view is pretty good over the bar, and we are finally open now. It's pretty nice. As you can see, people have been coming in. It's Friday today, so the party is really getting on. It's been pretty good. The festival has been pretty good to us.
later.
Hello everyone. So here's a little view of the treehouse. Right now everything's taken down, just so that for winter it's gonna be easier for the snow to melt away. Anyway, as you can see, it's quite sturdy. I've got 5 trees here. I've got a trapdoor. I used to have a trapdoor here. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being curious. Oh boy, it's fresh. Fuck yeah.